The skin consists of three layers: the epidermis or outer layer, the dermis or middle layer, and the hypodermis or innermost layer. At regular intervals, the outer layer or epidermis is completely replaced with new skin. Most of the time this process is not noticeable to people. In some cases there may be excessive peeling on the face, fingers and other parts of the body. This can happen when the skin is exposed to the sun for prolonged periods of time, and the harmful ultraviolet rays have damaged the top layer. Peeling skin is not a very serious condition and can go away on its own. However, natural remedies can speed up the healing process. Let's have a look at few of the natural ways to fight peeling of skin. Number 1. Oatmeal bath. Oatmeal is very helpful in reducing the itching and irritation associated with peeling skin. Its soothing properties also help the skin retain its natural moisture. Directions: stir 1 cup of oatmeal into a bathtub filled with warm water. Soak in this soothing bath water for 30 minutes. Rinse your body with clean water, and then pat dry with a soft towel. Later, apply a gentle moisturizer. Do this daily before going to bed, until you are satisfied with the result. Number 2. Olive oil. Olive oil has skin-nourishing fatty acids that work as an excellent moisturizer for dry skin. The oil coats the skin and locks in moisture. Plus, the vitamin E in olive oil helps the body fight free radicals that are often responsible for skin aging. All you need to do is rub little warmed olive oil onto the affected area and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Do this 3 times daily for about a couple of weeks, until your condition improves. Number 3. Milk. Milk is very beneficial for dealing with peeling skin. It works as a natural skin moisturizer. The protein in milk has a soothing effect, and the lactic acid will reduce irritation as well as itching. Directions: soak a washcloth in ice-cold whole milk and wring out the excess milk. Put the washcloth on the affected area for 10 minutes. Then wash the skin with clean water. Repeat the process 2 or 3 times daily, until your skin is healthy again. So, do try any of these remedies to get rid of excess peeling of skin.